dear ones, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to deal with the vocabulary junction of our chapter number 4, a caller would do. Okay, so everyone turn to page number 143 of your textbook. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the vocabulary junction and the topic is interjection. Interjection. What is interjection? Okay, so first let us discuss a sentence. Hey, but aren't they supposed to be crawling up walls? In this line you could see a particular word called as hey, right? And there you could see an exclamation mark also. You have learned about this mark in previous grades. So you could see the hey, the word hey. The word hey is an interjection, okay? So what is an interjection? Interjection is a short word or phrase uttered to express joy, wonder, enthusiasm, disgust, excitement. So what do you mean by the word wonder? Wonder means surprise. If you want to express joy, if you want to express happiness in your sentences, if you want to express wonder, that means if you are surprised, you want to express that. And if you are enthusiastic, if you are eager to do something, if you are in disgust, disgust means if you hate something. And if you are excited, you will be using interjections in your sentences. So I repeat, an interjection is a short word or a phrase uttered to express joy, wonder, enthusiasm, disgust and excitement. So interjections always end with exclamation mark. So just see this particular mark, this is called as exclamation mark. So whenever you are using interjection, you should use exclamation mark after that. Just see this is the way. Now we will see the examples that is given in page number 144. You could see certain examples that is given. So just see first example. Hooray, we won the match. So hooray, the word hooray, it's an interjection. It expresses joy. If you are utterly happy, then you will be using hooray, we won the match. So next one, yippee, we are all going for a movie today. If you are excited to watch a movie, so you will be using yippee, we are all going for a movie today. So it shows excitement. Yippee, the word yippee shows excitement. Now next one, yuck, the cakes taste awful. Yuck, so the yuck, that means disgust. If you hate the taste of the cake, you will be using the interjection yuck. Okay. Now next one, I knew the correct answer. I knew the correct answer. So here is an interjection which shows wonder. That means if you are surprised, that means you know the answer. If you got an unexpected question and you know the correct answer and nobody else in your class does not know the correct answer, then that shows wonder. That means I knew the correct answer. Okay. Now next one. Hey, haven't I told you not to touch my book? Annoyance. Annoyance, that means if you are angry with a person, then you will be using the word interjection. Hey, haven't I told you not to touch my books? So here, hey is an interjection which expresses the emotion annoyance. Now next one. Oh, the butterfly is dead. Oh, the butterfly is dead. So interjection oh means regret. That means you are very sad. So you will be using the interjection oh. Then ouch, I hurt my knee. Ouch, I hurt my knee. So pain. So if you hurt your knee, you will be using the interjection ouch. Now next one. Alas, the holidays are over. That means this remorse also means you are sad. Alas, the holidays are over. That means if you have to return back to your school after holidays, you will be using the interjection alas. Now, oops, I mixed the wrong colors. Oops, I mixed the wrong color. So if you done something by mistake, you will be using the interjection oops. So all these interjections are mainly used when you are speaking English, but in writing also we are using interjections. Okay, so these are interjections. Interjections always end with exclamation mark and they convey certain emotions also. Okay. So interjections is a short word or phrase uttered to express joy, wonder, enthusiasm, disgust or excitement. So just see hooray, yippee, yuck, Hey, ho, ouch, las and oops. These are interjections, okay, and they convey certain emotions also. You have to by heart the interjections and also the emotions they convey, okay, very very important. Now just see this particular box. Hooray and yippee signifies happiness. So if you are asked a question, like you are given an interjection and you are asked which emotions do these interjections convey, so you have to keep this in mind. Happiness. Oh, alas and oops convey sadness also, okay. These are the common emotions that we undergo, okay. Now we will do the exercise 1, page number 144, and you have to write the answers with me, okay. Together we will be writing the answers. So the first one, circle the interjections in the following sentences, then write the emotions they convey. So we are going to do this exercise. First one, oops, I spilled my tea. So here what is the interjection in the first one? Yes, oops. So what does this convey? Mistake. So everyone write it in your textbook. Yes, very good. Now next one, alas, our team has lost the match. Alas. It conveys remorse. Remorse means you are very sad. Hi, how are you? Hi. Hi is also an interjection because it conveys excitement. If you are excited to see somebody, you will say, hi, how are you? You will be saying like this. So, hi conveys excitement. Now next one. Wow, these paintings are beautiful. Wow. Wow will be used to admiration. Admiration. Admiration means if you are very much surprised or if you are very much love with these paintings, you will be using wow, okay. Now hooray. Hooray means here hooray, hooray, we are going on a picnic today. So it shows joy. Now I found the answers to the puzzle. Is there. It shows wonder. So now we have done exercise number 1. So I hope everybody have taken down the answers in your textbook. Now homework for you, exercise number 2. Exercise number 2 you have to do it as homework. You can write the answers in your textbook itself and we will be discussing the answers during our live interaction time. Okay. So until we meet next time, thank you.